Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting the Chapter 16 of Management Information Systems, which focuses on digital transformation and innovation in business. In today's business environment, technology is no longer just a support function. It has become a major driver of competitiveness, efficiency, and innovation. Organizations across industries are transforming the way they operate through digital technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data analytics, and automation. So, this presentation will discuss the meaning of digital transformation, why it matters in business, the technologies driving it, the challenges organizations face, and the role of management information systems in supporting successful transformation. So, by the end of this presentation, learners should be able to define digital transformation, differentiate digitalization, and digital transformation, explain business benefits of digital transformation, identify enabling technologies, discuss innovation opportunities, analyze implementation challenges, and lastly, understand MIS role in transformation. So the objective of this presentation are to provide a comprehensive understanding of digital transformation and its strategic relevance to organizations. Specifically, we aim to define digital transformation clearly and distinguish it from related concepts such as digitization and digitalization. We will also examine the major benefits organizations gain from digital transformation, including operational efficiency, improved customer experience, and data-driven decision making. Additionally, we will identify the technologies that make transformation possible, discuss innovation opportunities, analyze barriers to implementation, and understand how management information systems enable organizational transformation. So, what is digital transformation? Digital transformation is the strategic integration of digital technologies into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how the organization operates and delivers value to customers. It is not merely technology adoption, it is business model and cultural change that improves efficiency, customer experience, decision making, and innovation capacity. So, integration of digital technologies into business operations to improve. First is the customer experience, the personalized services, omnichannel access, and real-time support. Next is the operational efficiency, automated workflows, inventory automation, and faster processing through digital system. Third is data-driven decision, or the dashboards, BI, and predictive analytics, replacing intuition with evidence-based planning. So, digital transformation refers to the strategic integration of digital technologies into all business functions to fundamentally improve organization performance. It is not merely about adapting software or digitizing paperwork. Instead, it involves redesigning workflows, improving decision making, transforming customer engagement, and creating innovative business models. For example, traditional banking has evolved into online and mobile banking, allowing customers to transact anytime and anywhere. Retail businesses have shifted from physical stores to e-commerce platforms, while customer service increasingly relies on AI-powered chatbots. So digital transformation has become essential because organizations that fail to adapt risk losing relevance in an increasingly technology-driven marketplace. So let's move on to digitalization, and digital transformation in a clear distinctions. So what is digitization? It convert analog to digital formats. For example, scanning paper documents into PDFs, foundation step enabling further digital activities. The digitalization use digital technologies to improve existing processes. For example, is online banking, replacing branch-only transactions. While the digital transformation is to complete reinvention of business models and value chains. For example, is the Netflix moving from DVD rental to streaming and content production. So the note is organizations typically progress from digitization to digitalization to transformation, but the journey is non-linear and context dependent. So these three concepts are often confused, but they represent different levels of technological evolution. Digitization is the simplest level. It refers to converting physical or analog information into digital form. For example nga po is scanning paper records into PDF files, while digitalization is the next stage where organizations use digital tools to improve existing processes, like online banking and replacing branch-only transactions. And lastly, digital transformation is the most advanced level. It involves rethinking the entire business model using technology. So why digital transformation matters? Operational efficiency, lower costs, and faster throughput, automation, and streamline workflows. Next is to improve customer satisfaction, personalization, self-service, and 24/7 access, increase retention and lifetime value. Third is innovation opportunities, new product lines, platform business models, and data-driven services create new revenue streams. Next is agility and competitiveness. Rapid experimentation and scalable platforms enables quicker market response than legally competitors. Sorry. So, digital transformation is important because it helps organizations remain competitive in rapidly changing business environments. Operational efficiency improves through automation, reducing reducing repetitive manual tasks and minimizing errors. And customer satisfaction improves because businesses can deliver faster, more personalized services. While decision-making becomes faster because managers have access to real-time data analytics and dashboards. Transformation also creates competitive advantage by enabling firms to respond quickly to market changes and innovate continuously. And lastly, digital transformation improves organizational agility, allowing business to adapt effectively to disruptions and opportunities. Slide is about the operational efficiency or the automation in practice. So, automation reduces manual tasks, accelerates processing, and reduces human error, leading to measurable cost savings and improved resource allocation. Key examples include robotic process automation or the RPA for back office tasks, AI-driven customer service assistance, and automated inventory system that optimize stock levels in real time. So the benefits of automation is first, reduce manual work. RPA handles repetitive transactions, freeing staff for higher value in activities. Faster processing, which digital workflows compress cycle times for onboarding, invoicing, and fulfillment. And lastly, lower costs, less rework, and fewer errors reduce operational expenditure and improve margins. So, for example, is automated inventory, AI customer service, and digital workflows. So, one major benefit of digital transformation is operational efficiency. Automation eliminates repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on higher value activities. For example, automated inventory system can instantly monitor stock levels and trigger replenishment alerts, AI customer service tools can handle common inquiries 24/7 without requiring human invention. So, digital workflows reduce paperwork, approval delays, and communication gaps. So, the result is lower operating costs, faster service delivery, and improved productivity. So now let's proceed to the customer experience, personalization, and accessibility. Digital transformation enables companies to deliver tailored experience across channels, personalization engines, multi-channel communication, platforms, and self-service portals increase convenience and loyalty. Examples include recommendation algorithms, which is the Netflix feature, rich banking apps, with mobile deposits and real-time shipment tracking in e-commerce. So, enhance customer experience through personalization or the behavioral data and ML models tailor offers and content to individual customers. Always on support, chatbots, and knowledge bases provide 24/7 assistance and reduce wait times. Omnichannel journeys, consistent experiences across web, mobile, and in-person touchpoints improve uh, convers- conversion. So organizations that prioritize digital customer experience often achieve stronger loyalty and satisfaction. Next is the data-driven decision making, which is the MIS advantage. So the MIS functions supply the data architecture, analytics, and governance needed for reliable, timely decisions. Tools include business intelligence dashboards, predictive models, and AI-driven insights. When paired with strong data governance, these capabilities improve forecasting accuracy, reduce uncertainty, and enable proactive strategy adjustments. So MIS supports better decision through business intelligence and dashboard or the real-time KPIs that align operational teams and leaders around measurable goals, predictive modeling, which demand forecasting, churn prediction, and risk scoring inform strategic choices. And lastly, the data governance, the quality, privacy, and stewardship policies ensures that integrity and ethical use of data. So the benefits of it is the faster decisions, better forecasting, and reduce uncertainty. So data-driven organizations reduce uncertainty and make more strategic decisions. So let's now move on to the competitive advantage, the examples and patterns. Market leaders convert digital capabilities into defensible advantages. For example, is the Amazon leverages logistics and data to dominate e-commerce. Netflix transformed distribution and content creation through streaming. Walmart integrates physical and digital channels for scale and speed. Common patterns include platformization, customer-centric data use, and continuous experimentation. So, competitive advantage is sustained by organizational alignment, strategy, technology, process, and culture must all evolve together. So, digital transformation creates sustainable competitive advantage. Um, so technology-driven firms outperform competitors because they operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently. And digital capabilities have become strategic business assets. Now, let's move on to the enabling technology, which is the cloud computing. Cloud platforms are foundational for scaling digital initiatives. Benefits include lower upfront IT costs, scalability, global accessibility, rapid deployment, and a vast ecosystem of managed services, compute, storage, ML, and analytics. Major providers, the AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, offer differentiated services that organizations choose based on technical fit, compliance, and total cost of ownership. So cloud computing benefits is scalability and cost. Pay-as-you-go models enable experiments without large capital expenditure. Speed and agility, managed services accelerate development of analytics, AI, and platform capabilities. Global reach and security, providers deliver regional compliance options and enterprise-grade security features. So cloud computing is a major enabler of digital transformation. Instead of investing heavily in physical servers, businesses can access computing resources over the internet. So cloud solutions reduce infrastructure costs, improve flexibility, and support remote work. Scalability allows businesses to expand or reduce resources based on demands, and this technology enables faster innovation and business continuity. Artificial intelligence, practical applications. So AI applications are the chatbots, customer service at scale, 24/7 support, triage queries, reduce response time, and operational costs. Next is the fraud detection or the real-time anomaly detection using ML models to flag suspicious transactions and reduce financial losses. Predictive analytics, forecast demand, anticipate churn, and optimize inventory with time series and classification models. Recommendation systems, personalized offers and content to increase conversion and lifetime value through collaborative filtering and embeddings. And lastly, process automation. Automate routine workflows, RPA plus, AI freeing staff for higher value activities and reducing error rates. Next is the big data and analytics, where value comes from the large-scale data and analytics underpin smarter decisions. Key support areas is the customer analysis, which is the segmentation, lifetime value modeling, and personalized outreach. Next is the demand forecasting, improve supply planning, and reduce stockouts using probabilistic models. The trend detection, early signals from social, transactional, and sensor data to inform strategy. Dynamic pricing or the real-time price optimization tied to demand, competition, and inventory. Last is the performance measurement or the KPI dashboards and A/B testing to close the loop on improvement. So big data refers to massive data sets that traditional systems cannot efficiently process. Analytics transforms these data sets into actionable business intelligence. Organizations analyze customer behavior, predict demand, and optimize pricing. So this improves profitability and strategic planning. Internet of Things or the IoT, connected business examples. So IoT examples are the smart factories, which is the predictive maintenance, production optimization. Next is the wearables, employee safety, productivity insights. Third is logistics tracking, end-to-end visibility, and route optimization. Fourth is smart homes, integrated customer experiences and service data. Fifth is the connected healthcare, remote monitoring, and telemedicine. So Internet of Things or IoT turns physical operations into measurable, automatable workflows that feed analytics and AI systems. So IoT improves efficiency, visibility, and responsiveness. Now let's move on to the business innovation or the platform examples. Innovation examples or platform examples are Netflix, Uber, Airbnb, and Amazon. The Netflix is for the streaming or transform distribution with streaming data-driven content decisions and recommendation engines. The Uber is platform model or real-time matching, search pricing, and scalable marketplace dynamics. Airbnb, the digital marketplace enabling asset sharing, reputation systems, and global demand aggregation. And lastly, the Amazon combined cloud services and AI to scale operations, personalize experiences, and provide infrastructure for innovation. So technology enables entirely new business models through these platforms examples. Challenges of digital transformation. The challenges are resistance to change, high implementation costs, cybersecurity threats, skills shortage, and leadership failure and poor strategy. So, despite its benefits, digital transformation presents major challenges. Employees may resist unfamiliar systems. Costs can be substantial. Cybersecurity risks increase as digital dependence grows. Organizations may lack technical expertise. Leadership misalignment often causes project failure, and successful transformation requires a strong governance. The strategies for successful transformation. Success strategies are the strong leadership, clear vision, employee training, customer focus, cybersecurity investment, and continuous improvement. So, successful digital transformation requires strategic execution. Leadership must communicate a clear digital vision. Employees need training and support. Transformation should prioritize customer needs. Cybersecurity must be integrated, and continuous improvement ensures sustainability. So, what is the role of the management information system? Management information system is the backbone that turns raw data into actionable insights and integrated operations. So, the core functions are the data collection, information processing, decision support, enhanced communication, business intelligence, and digital integration. And the key system are the ERP or the Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM or the Customer Relationship Management, SCM, Supply Chain Management, and Analytics platforms for reporting and ML. So, future trends to watch. Emerging trends are generative AI, smart automation, remote work technology, blockchain, digital ecosystems, and green IT. So future digital transformation will be shaped by emerging technologies. Generative AI will transform content creation and automation. Blockchain will improve security and transparency. Green IT will promote sustainable operations, and digital ecosystem will drive collaboration. So, for conclusion and references, the key takeaway is digital transformation is strategic organizational change. Technology enables it, but leadership, MIS, people, and continuous adaptation deliver sustained value. So in conclusion, digital transformation is a strategic necessity in modern business. It improves efficiency it improves efficiency, customer experience, decision making, and innovation. However, technology alone is insufficient. So organizations need leadership, planning, employee readiness, and strong information systems. Those that adapt will thrive, those that resist may struggle. Thank you for listening, and that concludes my report on the MIS. Thank you for listening.